Baghali Ghatogh not only is a perfect dish for a winter day, but also for any time of the year. Hi everyone, حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. It's Rozina and welcome back to Let's Cook with Rozina. Today we got another great recipe. It's bean stew that's called Baghali Ghatogh in Farsi language. Baghali Ghatogh, or Iranian version of bean stew, is from Gilan province of Iran, which is located in northern part of country near Caspian Sea. Gilan is known for its beautiful forests, mountains, and rivers. Gilan province is home to a rich culture and cuisine with 117 food recipes. It's amazing. And Baghali Ghatogh that today I'm going to share recipe with you is one of those delicious and popular dishes in Gilan. This bean stew is very easy to make. It's made with fava beans, dill leaves, garlic and eggs. So let's just dive right in the recipe. Ingredients are fresh or dried dill leaves. Try to use fresh dill for best taste. Dried dill is an option but doesn't taste the same and flavor won't be strong. Fava beans or Lima beans. I use frozen fava beans that are available at Tesco, Asda and Aldi supermarkets. Also available at Middle Eastern stores. Canned butter beans are also an option. We need eggs, 1 egg per person, and garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, butter or vegetable oil. I prefer butter because it adds wonderful flavor to everything it touches. And finally, spices for seasoning like turmeric, salt and pepper. And amount of ingredients are just down below in description box and you can get it. Okay, first of all, select best dill leaves. Then transfer the leaves to a strainer and wash it in cold water and drain all the water before chopping. Well, here I removed the stems from the dill leaves. They come off fairly easily. Smells so good. And now I'm just gonna chop it up finely. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yes, just like this. Now I'm going to remove lima or fava bean skin. As you can see here, simply grab each bean between your thumb and index finger and pinch lightly at one end, and the skin should break open and the bean should slide out easily, and then split it into half. As you know, beans should be peeled. If they are fresh, you can do that right away, but if not, soak them overnight and then peel them easily. And now I'm going to use a grater that turns the garlic into the puree and it will flavor our Baghali Ghatogh. I use 3 cloves of garlic. Alright, as you can see, all my ingredients ready to make our beans and egg stew or Baghali Ghatogh. Now I'm gonna grab a non-stick pan and heat it with medium heat. And then I'm going to add half a cup of butter in the pan and wait for it to melt and heat up. Now I'm going to add grated garlic to melted butter. Gently stir and saute for a minute over medium heat until fragrant. Lovely. Okay, now move on to the next step and add 1 teaspoon turmeric and cook for a few seconds. Keep stirring and don't let it burn. Okay, now I'm going to add fava beans, but remember, don't add salt now, as salt can harden the beans, so for better result, it's advisable to add salt in final step. So cook the fava beans for about 5 minutes, stir gently and be careful not to break up the beans. Our beans stew looks nicer when the beans are left whole. Perfect. Now I'm going to add chopped dill leaves to other ingredients and keep stirring and fry for 2-3 minutes. This beautiful green herb gives our dish such a fresh and vibrant flavor. Smell is amazing. Fresh dill has a unique flavor that's hard to substitute. I love it. Now it's time to add salt and pepper and 2 cups of hot water. Give a stir to combine and bring it to boil. Water should cover all ingredients. Then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a lid and simmer for 15-20 minutes until beans are cooked and tender. Perfect. Just remember, give a stir every 5 minutes to prevent it from burning, but you don't want to mash the beans, so do it slowly and carefully. Great. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please pick up your free book that I have left just for you with 5 easy and delicious rice recipes to help you with cooking. I leave a link in description box and you can click it and get it. In last 5 minutes of cooking, add eggs. You can either stir them into the stew, but if you are enjoying the whole eggs and you don't want to mix the eggs with stew, make shallow wells in the stew and crack the eggs into each well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook until the eggs are cooked. Perfect. When the eggs are cooked, Baghali Ghatogh is ready. I love how the eggs poach in this stew. Now I turn off the heat and oh my goodness, look at Baghali Ghatogh, our Iranian beans and egg stew. Lovely! You saw how super easy it was to put together, and you can adjust seasoning to taste. And if you don't like the taste of eggs in your food, don't worry and just skip the eggs. Baghali Ghatogh with flat naan bread like lavash bread or rice is just fantastic. Please try tasting Baghali Ghatogh with it. And remember to put your favorite pickles on the table when serving Baghali Ghatogh. If you have any question or comment about this recipe, please don't hesitate to ask and leave your question in comment section down below. This dish will keep well in the fridge for 2-3 days. And don't forget to sprinkle lemon juice and then help yourself. This dish is just a piece of heaven on your plate. Enjoy it. Okay, let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Taste is amazing. Combination of dill leaves with fava beans, eggs, garlic. It's perfect, really good. I hope you give it a try. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps me to continue making videos like this. Thank you very much for joining us today. You know how much I appreciate it. Take care, lots of love, and see you in next one. Bye!